Are you interested in learning about cholesterol? Are you wondering what happens to your body when you have a high cholesterol level? In this video, we will discuss what cholesterol is, risk of having high cholesterol level, and some natural methods for reducing cholesterol levels. So, let's get started. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a fatty substance produced by the liver and found in some foods, such as animal products like meat, eggs, and dairy. Cholesterol is vital for the production of hormones, vitamin D, and the digestion of fats. However, too much cholesterol can cause a buildup of plaque in the arteries, leading to heart disease, stroke, and other health complications. What happens to your body if you have high cholesterol level? Having high cholesterol levels can lead to a variety of health problems in the body. Here are some of the effects that high cholesterol can have. Atherosclerosis. When cholesterol builds up in the walls of arteries, it can form plaques that narrow the arteries and restrict blood flow. This condition is called atherosclerosis and can lead to heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Heart disease. High cholesterol is a significant risk factor for heart disease, which is the leading cause of death worldwide. When cholesterol builds up in the arteries that supply blood to the heart, it can cause chest pain, heart attacks, and other cardiac problems. Stroke. High cholesterol can also increase the risk of stroke, which occurs when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted or reduced. This can cause brain damage, paralysis, or even death. Peripheral artery disease. High cholesterol can also cause peripheral artery disease, which occurs when the arteries that supply blood to the legs and feet become narrow or blocked. This can cause pain, numbness, and even gangrene in severe cases. Pancreatitis. Extremely high levels of triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood, can cause pancreatitis, which is inflammation of the pancreas. This condition can be severe and requires immediate medical attention. Here's a list of foods and natural ways to lower high cholesterol. Oats. Oats are high in soluble fiber, which can help to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Eating a bowl of oatmeal or adding oats to smoothies or baked goods can be a great way to incorporate this cholesterol-lowering food into your diet. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are high in healthy fats, fiber, and other nutrients that can help to lower cholesterol levels. Eating a handful of nuts as a snack or adding them to salads and other dishes can be an easy way to incorporate them into your diet. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to lower triglycerides and raise HDL, good cholesterol levels. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week for maximum cholesterol-lowering benefits. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are high in fiber and protein, which can help to lower cholesterol levels. Adding beans and legumes to soups, salads, and other dishes can be a tasty way to incorporate these cholesterol-lowering foods into your diet. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats and fiber, which can help to lower LDL cholesterol levels. Adding sliced avocado to sandwiches and salads, or using it as a replacement for mayonnaise or butter, can be an easy way to incorporate this cholesterol-lowering food into your diet. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are high in antioxidants and fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol levels. Eating berries as a snack or adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal can be an easy way to incorporate these cholesterol-lowering foods into your diet. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can increase your risk of high cholesterol, so maintaining a healthy weight through a combination of diet and exercise is important. Quit smoking. Smoking can raise LDL cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease, so quitting smoking is essential for lowering cholesterol levels and improving overall health. Limit or avoid alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can raise cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease, so it's best to limit alcohol consumption or avoid it altogether. Use natural supplements. Some natural supplements, such as plant sterols and stanols, may help to lower cholesterol levels. These supplements are typically found in foods like margarine, orange juice, and cereal. Other supplements, such as garlic, turmeric, and omega-3 fatty acids, may also have cholesterol-lowering benefits. That's it for today's video, guys. If you have any natural remedies to lower cholesterol, feel free to share them in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful.